So, bolt's not coming out. I'm just going to take a break. Start taking the harness off of this because we do want to put this one up on our stand over there that's buried. So I'm going to just start making this a bare block because that bolt's just annoying me and I can't put an impact on it because of where it's located. So
growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strum that guitar every day.
alright, this is all off now. No wiring on it besides like crank position sensor, reverse inhibitor switch, which is broken, but they're really simple to take off. You just have to unplug all of your injectors, unplug this, plug your alternator. There is one sensor that plugs in right here on the Y7s. The Y8s, there are two, and the other one is up here. The knock sensor, it's right there. You have to, that one's an actual plug. That one's just a like clip thing. And this is your oil pressure sensor. And then you can pull all that out, and then you have these 4 plugs. You unplug that, plug that. There's a bolt there, so you unbolt that. That's a ground. Then you unplug those two. Usually you would unplug this. There's a clip here that you unplug for your signal, and then unbolt that, and your harness is off. Now I think I'm gonna get all the hoses off.
Found the passion for music never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake?
Alright, all the vacuum hoses are off besides these two because they're not attached to the intake, they're just down there. So, and then there's 7 bolts to take this whole thing off. So I'm gonna do that and go put it on the shelf after I clear a spot. Then I think I'm gonna take the transmission off after I finish this.
But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane, right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better.
And just like that, it's off. Ooh. This thing's gross. Set that to the side. Now I'm going to take those hoses off, alternator, this bracket. So for the most part, to tear one of these apart, all you need 10 mil, 12 mil, and a wrench. Oh, and channel locks to get all the hoses off. Because all these are 12 mils. Most of the bolts I took off, this bolt and this bolt are 10 mils. This bolt's a 12 mil. That's the only bolts I've had to take off so far. That's a 10 mil. I think that's 12 mil. That might be a 14 mil. But I'm gonna keep tearing this down because I'm probably gonna make these look nicer for when we pull that engine and put all the new mounts in and put the new clutch on. So some trash down there. But let's get back to the time lapse.
Real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view. We're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose. 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 I won't give up, I won't back down until the line's 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down until the line's 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. Let's be honest, life's a competition. So if I'm going to play, then I'm gonna play to win it. I refuse to sit and rot at a desk all day unless I have a passion I'm working towards, okay? I'd rather be dead on the outside than inside. A bullet to the head than 25 to life in a cubicle alone, just trying to get by, building someone else's dream instead of building mine. If you're hearing me, this is meant to inspire. If you have a dream or if you have desires, a girl in your life that's making you feel that fire, go fight for her, man, go die for her, man. Cause you only have one life, one chance to do it, one chance to prove it to yourself, so don't lose it. You got this, fam, just keep pushing on through it. One day you'll look back so glad you pursued it. Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon.
So when tightening the valve cover, you do not want to over tighten them. I usually just hold it here because these are very easy to snap. I snapped the one on that engine. So just be very careful and do not put a lot of torque on these. It does not take much to seal a valve cover. And especially these back ones, they're very long, so they're very easy to snap. I really don't care on this engine, but I thought it'd be a good tip. I'm just putting the valve cover back on because I don't need it off, and I don't really want all the debris in the engine, even though it doesn't matter. It just looks better. I'm gonna finish disassembling the front, and then I think I'm gonna be done for right now because I can't really do anything with it today.
Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view. We're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose. 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 I won't give up, I won't back down until the line's 6 feet underneath the deep.
Alright, back in the garage. I'm not gonna really worry about this right now, but I do want to get the engine stand out, and I want to take the trans off of that motor and put it on this bottom shelf so it's out of the way. So I'm gonna finish undigging that and then pile stuff back there. Or, I don't know. I'll figure it out, but right now I'm gonna dig that out.
I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down. Till the line's 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. You won't stop me now because I got it now. I got the formula and I'm about to drop it loud. What we talking about. There is no talking now. We take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick-tocking now, the clock's talking down. And all I hear is haters try so hard to talk me down, but they can't stop the sound, already on the ground. Everything is growing faster than I can count. You ain't gon' stop me now, because I got this now. I got the formula and I'm about to drop it loud. So what we talking about? There is no talking now. We take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick-tocking now, the clock's talking down. And all I hear is haters try so hard to talk me down, but they can't stop the sound, already on the ground. Everything is growing faster than I can count. Everything is growing faster than I can count.
You can see all the, maybe not the camera, but there's a bunch of metal shavings just coming out. Ugh. Gross. Alright. Engine is tucked back here. I'll probably work on it more once this is out of here. Engine hoist is back where it was. I do want to put a lot of this on that shelf